What's up, YouTube? This is Tactical. This is going to be a little test run. Just got this camera late last night. My wife bought it for me. And, looking kind of rough right now. But, so far it looks okay. It's one of those, Vivitar, cameras. One of those cheap ones, but I don't know. I think it's pretty good. I'll rock the hell out of this. Takes 3 AAA batteries. Gotta invest in some more batteries. Yeah. So probably some rechargeable batteries or whatnot. But yeah. Just doing a little test run. I'm going to upload and check out the sound, all that good stuff, because I couldn't really hear it through the camera, so I'm going to see what happens. Hey, you got to see my face. But, yeah. Well, like I said, test run, see what happens. Take it easy.